Welcome back. So we're just going to quickly optimize our Harry's product page for mobile. So this will be a little bit quicker than we did for the About Us page, but let's first take a look. So the drop-down menu at the top, and I select the mobile interface. So if you could take a guess, the first thing is definitely this slideshow is way too tall for mobile because that's all they can see, right? So if we select the slideshow at the bottom, go to general, we're going to change the height. Okay, I think it was at it was at 700 before. Okay, let's see, I changed to 400, and that actually looks pretty good because they can see the image that's big enough, but they can also see that there's content below. So they're going to want to scroll down and see. Now this information I like. Yeah, the accordion looks fine. That's fine. And so these two parts, it's the same thing as we saw with the About Us page. So first things first, let's go grab our image source. So I'm selecting the section on the desktop view, and I'm copying the URL from the background. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to mobile, select my entire section, and paste it there. The reason we have to paste it again is because basically it just took what was on the desktop and tried to squeeze it onto mobile. It didn't recognize that this should be a separate entity. Okay. As we tried before, we can try to center things. No, it's not going to make a difference. So let's go ahead and put the image in the column, same as we did with the last one. Okay, there's the image in the column. Now we got to make sure it is centered and that it's covered. Okay, box style. Let's try 200. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, and now we just want to take the background color and change the section. Okay, where am I? Background. Let's remove that image and put in our color. Okay. Now another option is I'm just going to undo basically everything we just did. Go all the way back to when we had an empty column. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this section. Delete that column. Delete that column. Delete this column. Okay. Now I'm just going to change the background color on this section. Let's get it, that green color. Why is it so difficult? Yeah, okay. Remove the image. You could keep the white, but you do want it to match. You want it to kind of flow. Okay, so now I've basically just put the text in its very own section, and I keep this on top. Okay, we can play with the padding. Let's make that bigger. And there you have it. Okay, that might be actually a better option because it fits the entire screen. So I'll just quickly review. The first option was take this column that used to exist up here as well and put the image in there and then make the background, and that'll have it kind of contained in the center. Or you can duplicate the section and put the text in its own section below. So if we can quickly review both of those, I'll do it for the second section as well. Okay. Grab our image source. Apply it there. Now I can put the image source in the background of this column. Change the size. I was doing 200 and 100, but I should just do 150, 150. Okay. Center it. Cover. Okay, and then I would change the background color, and we would have that kind of within this column. Of course, the other option is go way back. What's happening here? There we go. Empty column. Duplicate the whole section. There we go. Remove. Remove. Remove this. Okay. Add some padding to that section. And then, of course, change the background color of this section. Okay, background color, paste, remove. No, why did I get that color? I want this kind of dark grayish. Different shades in this image, that's the difficult part. No, not quite. Okay, select here, put the correct background. Okay, there we are. So our spacing looks okay. Just say that one more time. You can either duplicate the section, remove the text, and put a background color here, have that image in its own section, or you can just put the image in a column. Okay, then when they're scrolling down, they get everything nice and split up. Okay, good luck. See you in the next video. Thank you.